How to fix a suspended Instagram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix a suspended Instagram account and get it back safely. So if your account has been disabled or temporarily blocked, then you can follow these steps carefully. Now with that, let's get started. So here step 1 is to understand why your account was suspended. So Instagram may suspend account for four major reasons. Number 1 is violating community guidelines. Number 2 is posting copyrighted content. Number 3 is using bots and automation tools. And number 4 is suspicious login activity. So know the reasons because knowing it will help you to appeal properly. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to open the Instagram app. So open the Instagram app and try logging in, and you'll usually see a message saying that your account is suspended or disabled. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to submit appeal. So there you can just tap on learn more or appeal in the messages and follow the prompts to provide your full name, Instagram username, and explanation for why your account should be restored, and make sure that your appeal is polite and honest. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to check your mail. So Instagram sends or may send a confirmation or a further instruction to your registered email. So there you can respond promptly if requested. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to avoid the common mistakes. So here, don't create a new account to bypass the suspension. Avoid repeating the action that caused the suspension and wait patiently because appeal can take several days. And that's it. By following the steps will give you the best chance to restore a suspended Instagram account. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.